Dragon 2 is a class of reusable spacecraft developed and manufactured by American aerospace manufacturer SpaceX as the successor to the Dragon 1 cargo spacecraft. The spacecraft launches atop a Falcon 9 Block 5 rocket and returns to Earth via an ocean splashdown. Unlike its predecessor, the spacecraft can dock itself to the ISS instead of being berthed. It has two variants: Crew Dragon, a human-rated capsule capable of ferrying up to 7 astronauts, and Cargo Dragon, an updated replacement for the original Dragon spacecraft. Crew Dragon is equipped with an integrated launch escape system and a set of 4 side-mounted thruster pods with 2 SuperDraco engines each. The spacecraft features redesigned solar arrays and a modified outer mold line compared to the original Dragon and possess new flight computers and avionics. As of March 2020, 4 Dragon 2 spacecraft have been manufactured, a test article named Dragonfly, and 3 flightworthy vehicles, one of which was destroyed in an engine test. Crew Dragon serves as one of 2 spacecraft that is expected to shuttle crews to and from the International Space Station under NASA's Commercial Crew Program, the other being the Boeing CST-100 Starliner. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.